Hi everyone, I'm Luis. Today I'm in our factory and I'm going to show you a new machine to USA market. The height of the machine is 1.5 meter. You can put it on top of somewhere or you can add a stand like this. The machine installed with a PAX card reader and a 22-inch touch screen. There's a drop detection sensor, infrared sensor here. With this sensor, the users only need to pay for the product's drop down only. The design of the touch screen is something like a bank ATM. The operator can adjust the angle of the screen by themselves. Now let me show you how to buy from the machine. Now you can select one, or you can add this to the shopping cart. You can check the shopping cart here, or click to pay. Now I tap the card. You see this one? Delivery error. The users don't need to pay for the product which is delivery failed. If you are interested in our machines, please contact us. Thank you very much for watching.